Welcome back. Let's keep moving and start a new project. Any authorized user can start a new project. Once started, the group administrator sets up the privileges for each of the users on the work team. To start a new project, go to the Project List page and click on the New Project button. At the New Project dialog box, input information to identify your project. This may include one or all of the following. Enter project name, enter project number, enter client name. Then click the Create New Project button. In the Project Information dialog box, you can also enter additional information such as project data, revisions, schedule, and company information. This input will automatically populate your reports generated for the project. Any project created will be listed on the project list. To access archived projects, click on the Archived Projects button. To make an archived project active, just check the box next to the project and click on the Activate button.